welcome to all the new people. What up?
Yes, the new people.
Let's go.
So we have come down to the, well, it's meant to be the sunny southeast of Ireland, down to Wexford today, to go to Courtown. It is pretty beautiful regardless of the crappy weather we're having.
We're standing right below it right now.
Yeah, so we're going to go have a look around and see what it's like.
See you then.
So the lighthouse itself was actually built in the 13th century, which is a long time ago. It's like medieval times.
I did not realise it was that long ago.
No. So obviously it's got loads of like renovation works and stuff over the years, but the 13th century, that's madness really.
That shit great.
Yeah. Ain't it, right?
What's she on it?
That is a Leaving Cert project. That is unbelievable.
For anybody who doesn't know, Leaving Cert is the kind of like the leaving school exam. You know,
Like your A levels and your.
A-level exam. Live from the bird.
What just happened, Lee?
We got given out to you.
Why?
Using the drone. Yeah, there was no sign saying we can't do it, but I got trouble, so let's do it outside. Leah, what are you dressed like?
Today's outfit is called I Am Freezing Cold. And so I have a lovely dress on underneath this jacket and I have Lee's jacket on because I'm freezing. So we decided to start walking around the outside of the lighthouse. We've left the visitor centre and the landscapes here are just absolutely...
Reminds me of the Burren.
Yeah, it's just so beautiful. Like, look at it. Supposedly here is meant to be a great place to go if you're an avid photographer when like during a storm when the waves are like lapping up against the rocks, because supposedly you're meant to get a really
cracking picture, yeah.
Well, yeah, it is. It's so beautiful. It's definitely worth a trip down.
Absolutely.
You kind of think you go into the visitor centre and you kind of go, okay, we're done, but then you walk around the back and you're like, wow, this is beautiful.
Top notch.
Top notch. Let's go.
Wouldn't be Wexford if you weren't walking through a field.
We're in the countryside now, so yeah, right. This field is full of butterflies. They're literally like flying all around us. Hey mate.
Yeah, it didn't work. I tried to scare Leah.
We got locked in. We're gonna have to climb over the wall and I have a dress on.
I will. You will.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
No, I won't. How skinny do you think I am?
Very.
I'm not gonna fit through that.
Of course you will. Take the bag off.
I won't even fit through.
Take the bag off, you'll be fine.
I bet you I won't.
Right, well, she's stuck little like it. Leah got over. My turn.
Are you?
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna fall. Watch, guaranteed. Yeah. Ugh. Jesus. I'm over.
So back in the car. It's bloody windy out there today.
Very, very windy.
But yeah, would definitely recommend if you're coming around Wexford, if you're on holiday in Wexford, come visit Hook. It's a good day out, like.
If you are gonna bring a drone, you're not allowed to use it in there. So do what we did and go outside.
Yeah. So you can do tours of the lighthouse and go up to the top and kind of like walk around and stuff, and it's a €10
10 per person. Yeah.
for an adult anyway. We didn't do it, but so yeah, but the rest of it's free. You can go in and walk around the grounds of the lighthouse into the little cafe and the gift shop and stuff like that too. So, and all the staff there were lovely, aren't they?
Yeah, they're really sound, yeah, really nice.
He has a hole in the top.
I got a hole in my top. It's my holy top. Woo! Say your prayers.
Oh! So yeah, we're going to do a little bit more exploring around Wexford now. So while we're in Wexford, I've brought Leah down to one of my favourite beaches in Ireland. It's Duncannon Beach, and a lot of my family are from Wexford, so I grew up here. I done a lot of summers, I spent a lot of summers down here, and we lived on Duncannon Beach pretty much. We came down here nearly every day, and it's just such a beautiful beach. You can drive down onto it.
We're parked on the beach.
It's fab. So yeah, have a look at it. That works too.
Just like that.
So we've just finished off our lovely day in Wexford, and we are set to go home, back to Dublin.
Back to the stick. Oh, we're coming out of the sticks and into the smoke.
It's such a lovely day, and I think we're lucky in Ireland that even though things might be a bit of a drive away, they're still not too far away.
An hour and a half.
Yeah, like just an hour and a half from our house to Wexford, and
wow.
Yeah, exactly. So we finished off our evening with a lovely bite to eat in the Strand. We got a
chowder.
Nice chowder, because he loves an old chowder, if you remember from our Claire videos. And I got a soup. So we're just about to drive home to Dublin here, so we shouldn't be too long.
Nope, shouldn't be too long.
Might stop off and do a bit of crazy golf on the way.
Bit of golfing maybe. Leah, what are we doing?
We've come to Pirates Cove in Courtown, and we're going to do a bit of mini golf.
They're slagging your hair. Danger, irregular steps. Shark in the water. He has his bags packed. He's at the airport. Just send him home.
You're down? Oh fuck.
In case you haven't noticed, I took my shot already and look where the ball ended up.
He's lying, that was a second.
Hole in one!
Tell him I'm the truth.
I think I'm about 8 game shots clear, but we're gonna go anyway.
We're like 2 shots clear, relax.
That's 6 scorecard. Good shot.
Thank you.
In second place we have Leah. And the winner.
6, 48, 52, 54. 1, 45, 48.
That's 3 over par, that's not bad. Like, subscribe, and the ding bell. Don't try and put my finger in you.
Yes, press on that ding bell because you'll get notified for every time we get a new video out.
Do it.
See you in the next one, guys.
Peace.
Bye.